Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enable multiple pre-moves on chess.com so you can play faster in blitz and bullet games. This setting lets you queue several moves ahead of time and react instantly in fast matches. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then sign into your account. Once you are logged in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the small settings gear icon in the sidebar. This opens the quick settings menu for your chess.com account. From here, click on the option that says All Settings. This will open the full settings page where you can control gameplay options, board preferences, and other important features related to how your games work. Now scroll through the settings until you find the gameplay options related to pre-moves. Look for the checkbox labeled Enable Pre-moves. Make sure that this box is checked. When this setting is enabled, chess.com allows you to make pre-moves during your games. With pre-moves turned on, you can click several moves in advance before your opponent plays, which is extremely helpful in fast time controls like bullet and blitz. Once pre-moves are enabled, start a game on chess.com. During the game, simply make a move before your opponent finishes their turn. You can queue multiple pre-moves in a row, and they will execute automatically as long as the moves remain legal on the board. Using multiple pre-moves can save huge amounts of time and is one of the key skills strong online players use to win fast games. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple chess.com tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.